Alright guys, so without wasting any time, let's look at what the SY and see where exactly the SY is heading up to this week. So on our daily time frame, you realize as well, we keep saying markets for give us a push to the outside level over here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and now market gave us a nice support level over here, failed to break above the recent high, and now we saw this massive candle taking out the support level of the chart and now giving us for a push. So is this going to be a retracement or is this going to be the continuation of the trend? So that's exactly what we are about to look up to now. So for those of you who are interested in trading currency pairs, pay attention to this analysis. So now, on a daily time frame, you realize that for this support level on the market has been taken out. So we have what a nice what change of character, guys. And also, the recent high of this chart is this place, and also you try to identify the recent low. So this is how easy it is whenever you are starting your analysis. You need to identify the trend, the market structure, and if possible some of the recent high, the equal high, and the recent lows. So this is exactly what you are doing. So after identifying all this on the higher time frame, you go to the 1 hour time frame lower. 1 hour time frame lower. So after daily time frame, it is for the 4 hour time frame. So on a 4 hour time frame, you will try to look at what exactly is also happening on that particular time frame. So as you have already marked the recent high and the recent low on the on a daily hour time frame, on a daily time frame, guys, this is what you are still having on a 4 hour time frame. Markets gave us a nice change of character at this level, and also markets were trying to give us a retracement. So what exactly is this retracement is about to what reverse or reverse form. So now you look at it. The first thing you need to do is to take your Fibonacci retracement tool. We take it from the swing high to the swing low, swing high to the swing low, and that's where you're able to identify if the market will respect the 50% equilibrium or the market will respect what the extreme discount level. So looking at this, market has already bypassed the 50% discount level and now heading toward the extreme discount level. Good. So it means for anything this week, I want to see for the SY giving us what a push to this level over here. Let me clean a push to this what support level that was breaking out over here, this level over here. So this is the zone that I will be patiently targeting the SY to come all the way, respect it, and give us what a continuation of the trend or to respect this change of character. So this is exactly what I'll be expecting this week on the SY. A push here and give me a push down, retrace and continue what coming down at this level. This is exactly what is likely to happen on what the SY. So what will be the bias for this week? The bias on the SY. So bias on the SY is what? Bearish. Okay. We are bearish. We are bearish what? On the SY. So I'll be focusing on what's bearish movement. So bearish is here to confirm, okay? Unless market tap into this zone, then I'll start looking for what? A sell opportunity on USD, S, S, S pairs. And I'll start looking for what? Buying position on what? S, 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 U, S, D pairs. So that's exactly what I'll be looking out to this week. So now the second pair that you're about to look at to is also we are going to look at gold. What exactly is happening on gold? Now you realize that this morning gold has given us what a massive push to the downside, giving us over 4,200 pips this early morning, guys. 4,200 pips. So the question is, gold didn't give us any nice retracement. Gold didn't give us any nice pullback. Where exactly can we focus on selling or buying now? So I have a powerful indicator that always helps me to what, get a nice key level. So on this my indicator, you realize that what gold is respecting this quarter low of December 2025. Quarter low of December 2025. And now after this quarter low of December, this there's another key level which is a November low and then of September low, and also October low. So all these levels are the very key or strong key levels on the chart. So now that gold is respecting this quarter low of December 2025, it means that what if I see any break below that level, a full candle close below this level, then I'll focus on selling more at this level. But if I don't see any candle close below that, then I'll focus on buying now, looking for buying confirmation. So that's exactly what I'm looking up to. So when we go to the 15-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame, you will try to look at the market's structure. So whenever you open here, you see for the recent break that pushed the market to create this for the recent low over here. And now this is our recent what high. So this is recent high over here. So this is what is happening. So we have what a recent high over here and a recent what low over here. So I'll be expecting the market to confirm this what change of character for me. This push to the outside level over here, full candle close above this high, retest this level, and now I'll continue focusing on what's buying. But I need to be very careful with the buy because the overall trend is in a downtrend. So exactly this spot I'm looking up to. So when we go to USDJPY, on USDJPY, on USDJPY as well, since we are all bearish on the SY, then we should be bearish on the USDJPY too. By now, we are expecting the market to keep us at a nice push to the outside level to respect that what's selling zone on the SY. Now, then you can also look at for a selling opportunity on the SY.